TSM stock analysis and TSM stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. So I'm looking at Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, and yeah, it's looking good. You know, it's definitely looking good. I'm not just gonna sit here and just trying to force moves though. You know, you really have to understand the fact that my previous like long side idea here was correct, and I do have the proof to back it up right here. This was made like 20th of January. At the time we were sitting at humble $211, and then now we're 224. You know, levels to this game. Now that's my Discord server, tight-knit community, and like my idea was completely correct. I mean, we came down, and then since then we've been going up, but it was kind of a gap up, which I don't F with, so I just kind of like let it do its thing. But yeah, if you watch my videos, you will know like what I'm talking about here, because it's just making new highs. I want to see retracements for me to double down on those longs. The most likely thing that's going to happen next is we're going to take these highs out. So I'm going to continue to keep you updated, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.